Near-death experiences have fascinated humanity for centuries, inhabiting a space where science, spirituality, and mystery converge. These moments, often reported by those who have faced the brink of death and returned, are filled with vivid images, radiant lights, tunnels of luminous passage, encounters with beings of light or deceased loved ones, and a profound sense of peace and transcendence. Are these experiences genuine glimpses into an afterlife, offering a window into what lies beyond mortal existence? Or are they elaborate brain illusions, products of a dying or stressed brain struggling to make sense of its final moments? This question probes the deepest mysteries of consciousness, existence, and what may await beyond death. Skeptics argue that near-death experiences are nothing more than neurological phenomena. When the brain undergoes extreme stress, due to lack of oxygen, trauma, or chemical imbalances, it can produce hallucinations, distorted perceptions, and altered states of consciousness. The tunnel of light, a common motif, could be explained by the constriction of peripheral vision as the brain loses oxygen. Neurotransmitter floods may create sensations of peace or euphoria, while memories of loved ones emerge as the brain seeks comfort in its last moments. From this standpoint, near-death experiences are natural biological responses to impending death. Illusions rooted in the brain's anatomy and chemistry, yet, this materialist explanation does not fully account for the consistency and richness of these experiences across cultures and individuals, regardless of their beliefs or backgrounds. People from vastly different cultures report remarkably similar phenomena, suggesting a universal aspect that transcends cultural conditioning. The detailed encounters, often described with clarity and emotional intensity, raise questions about their authenticity. For some, these experiences have led to profound transformations, changes in personality, a newfound spirituality, or a reduced fear of death, as if they have truly touched a realm beyond. Philosophers and spiritual thinkers have long contended that consciousness may not be entirely bound to the physical brain. If consciousness can exist independently or survive bodily death, near-death experiences might indeed be windows into an afterlife or other dimensions of existence. The narratives of souls departing, meeting guides, or revisiting life's meaning resonate deeply with ancient beliefs and mystical traditions around the world. These experiences could be the soul's glimpse beyond the veil, a temporary crossing into realms where time, space, and identity dissolve. Some scientists propose a middle ground, suggesting that near-death experiences might be a kind of interface between the brain and a non-physical realm, a liminal space where consciousness transitions. This hypothesis reframes these phenomena not as illusions but as genuine encounters mediated through the brain's biology. It acknowledges both the material substrate and the possibility of consciousness extending beyond it. This intersection of science and spirituality invites us to reconsider our understanding of reality itself. Critics point to challenges in studying near-death experiences, the difficulty in verifying subjective reports, the potential influence of cultural expectations, and the impossibility of replicating these events experimentally. Yet, emerging research continues to explore the neurobiology of these experiences alongside their phenomenological and spiritual dimensions. Whether viewed as hallucinations or revelations, near-death experiences compel us to confront the enigma of death not as an end but as a threshold. In the final analysis, near-death experiences resist easy categorization. They dwell in a liminal space between the known and the unknown, science and faith, life and death. Whether they are brain illusions or true glimpses of an afterlife may ultimately be a question each individual must explore within their own beliefs and experiences. What remains undeniable is their power to transform how we understand consciousness, the soul, and the profound mystery that is our existence. These experiences are echoes from the edge, whispering of a reality that lies just beyond the reach of human understanding, inviting us to explore what it truly means to live, and to die.